Ready? Okay, so we're just gonna remove these two screws right here. I'm using a Phillips bit on my impact. All right, go ahead and put those off to the side. Flip this plate off. Alrighty, so the piece we're gonna replace is right here. So I'm going to fold the chair onto itself. Right there. Go ahead and remove the old one. All right, in order to reinstall it, I'm gonna make sure this plastic piece right here is installed still. And I'm gonna start with this piece first, like that, and roll it in. So we're gonna go like that. Kind of slide it in, like so. I'm gonna reinstall the plates. Line them up. And go ahead and reinstall the screws.